Welcome to Study Loop.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this question, and it says that a bolt manufacturer is very concerned about the consistency of the diameters of bolts produced by his machines and believes that the bolts produced by machine A have a different variance in the diameter and the variance in the diameter from machine B. A sample of 9 bolts from machine A have a variance of 0.021. A sample of 18 bolts from machine V have a sample variance of 0.0203. Construct a 90% confidence interval of the ratio between the population variances. So confidence interval variance ratios. So it's a 90% confidence interval. So 9 and then 18. Sample variances is 0.021 and 0.0203. And then you're going to take 0.3925 times 0.021 divided by 0.0203 and then 3.1867 times 0.021 divided by 0.0203 and then 0.406 and then 3.2966. So I hope that this video helped. This is the middle school math teacher signing out.